Yeah.
So you visited Bahubali's setup and what else?
Everything in Ramoji.
So have you personally now have shooted there, or like in future we can see, like you got an opportunity to shoot there for a movie?
For a movie, not yet, but yeah, definitely.
In the future it can be, because now it's a place where all these, big movies are being shoot, and everything. So anyway, you talked about Bahubali. You are a Bahubali, I must say. How this
Why am Bahubali? Tell me that.
No, I mean you are a Bahubali because you in the kind of things you face in your life and the kind of clicks you give, because it's like in Mumbai what happened, it was long, like it's an old story, but still it's an experience, like everybody, girls should know that how to come out of it. It's not a small incident of your life. So when we see you like this, it doesn't feel like something happened to you.
It's all willpower.
So how that willpower, that's a great word you use. How this willpower you planned yourself in this way?
Mentally very strong. If you are mentally strong, everything falls into a place.
Yes.
Whatever the outside things are happening, don't get it into your head. That's the only hack.
Yes.
Don't overthink, because like I feel life is like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
It will just go up and down, but if you are still, you won't go haywire.
Yes.
You can't control the outside. You can control yourself. That's the only hack.
But you I think you are the first child of your family who's getting into this field of Indian cinema. I think your family is from other professionals.
Yes.
What they are doing and how you convince them, because for them it will be a different aura, because your father didn't allow you to travel that time, and now you're traveling alone, you're taking your projects on your own basis. It's an independent life you're living. So will you just share it about that?
So since my childhood, I've always been inclined towards art. I always want to do something related to paintings or music or maybe theatre, dance.
But not sitting, nothing. Just
I can't sit at one place. I'm very restless. I can't. So, but I was good in studies. So my father and mother, they're all into, like my mom, she's a principal. My father into business. So they all wanted, like all my family's doctors, they're all academically very sound. And I never liked that profession. And हमारे घरों में ये होता है ना, doctor, engineer, that's it. There is no third option. So they forced me to study engineering. I did engineering, and they forced me to do like all this computer science and everything. I was good in studies, but I was very bad in practicals.
Okay.
So I used to.
But now you're doing more practicals. You're out exploring people.
So I then I cracked my interview also, and I got placed in some company where they kept me. And then after that, I was not interested. So I told my parents that I don't want to do this, and I really want to pursue this as a career. And then it happened.
So it was easy to convince them. They were like, okay, beta jao, हमारा आशीर्वाद तुम्हारे साथ है.
No, it was not at all.
Or it was a big tsunami fight in the home. And
not fight, but they were little worried for me, and they wanted to see everything, how this process happens. So my first work was for the TV show I did. So my parents came down to Bombay. They stayed with me for 10-15 days. They saw the whole process. They went to see my night shoots also. They came for they saw everything. But then they realized that it's a good profession, and everyone works collectively. It's nice, it's fun. So then they were like, okay, fine.
Now you're doing I think Punjabi movies also, and song, exploring Punjabi cinema also, and as you were into Hindi cinema also. So how it's going on? Like
it's going good, it's going great. Everything is happening very nicely. I'm very happy for whatever coming to me, and I'm giving my 100% to whatever.
So do you remember your first day in your Telugu cinema, like the first day when you coming into your set? What was going in your mind, or you were preparing, coordinating with the coordinators, makeup artists, production team? I think it's a huge team. It's not one team. How was your interaction? Your producer, your director?
So my
fun moments also.
So first day. So for this film, we started shooting with the climax.
Okay. First
day climax. Okay.
How you take that?
And I don't know why they planned climax first, but first we start with the climax, and in climax I'm hardly doing anything. Like it's only heroes fight and everything. So, but I'm there in every frame.
Okay.
I'm just standing. So first 4 days, I was just asking myself what I'm doing here.
Okay.
You know,
Maybe they're giving you warm up.
yeah, basically. So they were like, they wanted to finish this major part first, and then they wanted to see the output or whatever. But I was only giving expressions and doing standing and those dust and everything coming on my face when I used to take bath and went
Yeah,
to
the
hotel.
fighting scenes are very different here. Like, yeah.
Yeah, so it was like, if you make me work now, I enjoy that
Yeah, I
more. But if you
understand.
make me still and do nothing, it is too boring. So first
I
4
can
days was
relate.
very boring, but after that, my proper scenes started and everything. Then I, started enjoying it.
Enjoying it. So I think the first day of her is just standing and watching the fight of Raj Tarun.
Yeah.
Can I take his name, Raj Tarun? That's okay, man. It's a
Yeah.
part of the industry. So first day with Raj Tarun, ये तो बताना पड़ेगा because
Yeah.
he was your actor when the
Yeah.
coordinations happen. Actors also ask, okay, who will be the heroine? Heroines also ask, who's the hero?
Right.
So how you know about Raj Tarun before, or like when they told you about
So
the
they
hero?
told me about this guy and I googled about him. We all were sitting, the director, they played some YouTube thing about his film Cinema Chupistamawa. We saw a couple of, I was like, this guy is so funny. And I entertained. I saw some comedy scenes of that film and I liked it. Like, he's a good performer.
Good performer,
So
yeah.
then I was like, okay, great. Like,
So first day you met, how was your day with him, and coordinating, he speaking in Telugu or explained you, helped you with something?
No, we didn't spoke only first day much. We were
Okay.
like just working together and we hardly spoke on first 2-3 days, so we didn't even spoke much.
Acha.
After that, we started talking about film, cinema, and he's also a writer. I am also a writer.
Okay.
So we shared a lot about cinema, and he's also a book lover. I also like
Wow.
to read.
Yeah.
So there are so many things in common, and we shared a lot about cinema and these things about the films, and that's all interactions we used to have.
But as you know, things always go up and down in the industry. How you take, because gossips is a big thing for the
Yeah.
celebrity to face.
Yeah.
Let's be very practical. It's not like when you're entering into the cinema, we don't know what is right, what is wrong. It's
Right.
your way of living. The
Right.
word you said, perception.
Yeah.
Not to care about it.
Yeah.
So you have been into this industry for a long time, and now in Telugu cinema, like how you take when some gossips comes around you, how it actually you take it as a celebrity.
See, I feel that when something happens around you or with people around you, it is disturbing for a while, but then I feel you should be strong enough to deal with that and think that everything happens for a reason,
Yeah.
and take it in a positive way. And I just feel that life won't go so smooth all the time.
Exactly.
So,
and then you're
yeah.
a beautiful actress, you're working hard. I mean, everybody they always look for a gossips,
Yeah.
So in industry, you also, when you were a childhood, you must be seeing the gossip magazines.
Yeah,
Iska affair usse ho gaya, uska affair usse ho gaya.
Right.
So when you heard of all this, आपने भी सोचा I'm going into this industry.
Right.
So somewhere you never know, people can connect you with the actor or
Right.
So how you prepared yourself?
I never thought that this will happen to me, but yeah, finally, if it is happening, I just don't give my much attention to the gossips. And if it is a healthy criticism, I will definitely accept it. But if it is going in a negative way, I will try to, don't let
Yes.
it come to my head, and, try to focus on my work, because right now, I really want to focus on my work, my
Yes.
career, and that is
She is
the
single,
most
let me tell you. You are
Yes,
single,
yes.
not ready to mingle.
No, I'm on to focus on my work, my career, and that's the most important. My cinema is my first love, and it will
Yeah.
always be my first
Maybe
love.
must be people loving your Raj Tarun, and your Jodi is going
Yeah,
rocking.
that is quite
That's
possible.
why people are like, loving it, and the most
Yeah.
of the tsunami masalas are going around about
Yeah,
you.
because see, he's also a good performer. I also give my, so people might love our
And it's your
chemistry in the
first
film.
Telugu movie with the star, तो वो sentiments respect होती है, they become
Right.
your friends.
Yeah.
Like we see Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol.
Yeah,
Like Ajay Devgan के साथ तब्बू जी को लगा दिया जाता है. They
Yeah.
are good friends.
they are good friends.
So
yeah.
I think in industry it always works. Who's your first star, you have a sentiments, you
Right,
know.
right.
So how you take that friendship, and when it comes to friendship.
I feel that if you are a good friends, if you meet good people in your life, you can be friends with them all your life.
Yes.
And the best thing about our industry is like if we meet good people,
Yes.
we can keep them for life.
I know.
And if we meet some filthy people, it's okay. We'll work for them for 30-40 days and then we'll say bye bye.
yeah, yeah.
So it's up to us. Like if you want to keep them friends or if you want to leave them. So we still have that choice. People from other industry, they don't have that choice.
Yes,
You
yes.
have to, if you like them, if you don't like them, you have to see those
See
same
that.
office colleagues every day.
Yes.
That
no
is
doubt.
true. That is true. Yeah.
So, would you like to reveal something that is going to excite more about this movie? And you are no doubt it's your first project.
Yeah.
So, how you take it on the level? I mean, this will be in Pan India or it's in Telugu only?
They
going to
are
happen?
for OTT. I think they are releasing in all the languages, but it's for Telugu.
How your friends are like, your friends must be from North, like they
Yeah.
are saying, oh, when is your Telugu movies coming? Because now Telugu cinema is on the big level.
Yeah, it is globally known after RRR winning Oscar. Definitely, it's globally known, and I'm very proud to be a part of Telugu cinema right now. And it's just the starting. I want to do more and more Telugu films in future, and I'm looking forward to work with every Telugu actor in future.
I know. And especially the support system is very important, When these gossips come around, I think the strong part is we need to support each other. In
Yeah.
family also,
Yeah.
when something goes wrong, brother or sister or parents,
Yeah.
so somewhere father comes, okay, I'll support you, daughter, don't worry. When
Yeah.
something comes on father, daughter say, don't worry, I'm there for you.
Right.
So at that time, when the situation is so like different way every day coming, maybe your co-actor Ashrun in stress, how you want to support him or like say something for him so that
See, I really don't understand what is his personal life,
Yeah.
what he's going through. I really don't know. But I just wish that everything falls into place and everything right should happen to everyone, even if this girl, even if Raj. I just feel that everyone should live their life in
Yes,
peace. That
yes.
is my advice to everyone. And creating unnecessary issues and ruckus doesn't make any sense to anyone. And rest I don't know, everyone has
But
their own.
during the sets you become friends. He talked to you something about Lavanya or something.
No.
When you are in stress, he shared something about you.
No. We didn't had any conversations about her, and this topic only came when she called
Promotions.
me and all of that. But then I still don't want to talk about his personal life because it's his personal life, and if I stay away from it, it's better for me, better for him, and better for her as well. So I'm here to promote my film. I want to promote my film, and that's all. That's all
target.
my target is right now.